Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Through Encomienda system, Spanish government gave Indians to certain colonists in exchange for the promise to Christianize them. Significance: this system led to future exploitation of natives and slaves. Spain and Portugal signed this treaty, which divided the territories of the New World.
Take our lead.
The Encomienda system, in theory, was a feudal-like system where Spaniards would offer protection and education to the native populations in exchange for labor and money, gifts. In reality, the Encomienda system was a horrible abuse of power and essentially slavery.
Take our lead.
The Encomienda was based on the Reconquista institution, in which adelantados were given the right to extract tribute from Muslims or other peasants in areas that they had conquered and resettled. The Encomienda system traveled to America as the result of the implantation of Castilian law over the territory.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why did African slavery replace Native American slavery on the Encomienda system? Americans had home field advantage, British supplies was far away, strong motivation to fight, and George Washington.
Take our lead.
The Encomienda system was put in place in several areas, most importantly in Peru. Under the Encomienda system, prominent Spaniards were entrusted with native Peruvian communities. In exchange for the stolen labor of indigenous people and tribute, the Spanish lord would provide protection and education.
Let's help you make your mark.
The actual land given to deserving subjects by the Spanish crown are the encomiendas, while the distribution of the labor force, the Indians, is referred to as the repartimiento. Along with the land, these encomenderos were allotted the native people of the land as the labor force to work the land.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.